Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure the hardware and software match the feature. Fully charge the Studio Pro and open the Beats or Vendor app to check for a firmware update. Once updated, pair headphones to your iPhone or iPad using Bluetooth and keep the source device unlocked. This pairing step hands audio metadata to the headphones. Without it, spatial cues won't stream correctly. Make sure Bluetooth is stable before moving on, because a clean connection ensures the spatial engine initializes properly. Once paired, enable spatial audio and the required decoder on the phone. Go to Bluetooth, open the Beats Studio Pro entry, and set spatial audio to automatic so the headset receives object-based spatial metadata. Choose fixed if head tracking is undesirable. Next, enable Dolby Atmos in music settings and set it to always on to prioritize multi-channel streams. Finally, use the Control Center audio card to toggle spatial audio and head tracking to confirm the headset and OS are exchanged. To finish, play verified Dolby Atmos or spatial-enabled tracks and listen for dimensional cues. Sounds should move around and slightly above you. If you want a different sensation, tweak head tracking and EQ inside the Beats app to alter perceived width or bass. If spatial audio isn't working, restart both devices, reset the Studio Pro to factory via the app or button sequence, and confirm firmware and iOS versions are current. These steps usually resolve handshake or codec negotiation problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.